Hey, what's up? I got this really cool dashcam sent to me so I can make a quick review, and I want to talk about some points that probably it's gonna help you out to decide if this is the correct dashcam for you. So this is a 3-channel dashcam for all-around protection. It comes with a 170 wide-angle front camera and 160 in-car and rear camera. Another cool feature is that it has a high-definition display. It's 1080p HD display, so you would have a clear view in all 3 cameras. It has a super night vision function that it's equipped with WDR technology, and basically this helps you have a better video and image in dark light conditions. The installation is pretty straightforward, very easy, so you just have to connect the power source to the 12-volt and connect the rear camera, pass the cables from the back, and you're all set. And finally, it saves the data automatically and loop records. So this is a very good option if you want to feel protected all time, all around, in a very compact and affordable device.